Well, hello. I would like to say Happy New Year. And if your New Year's resolution was to start a worm bin, I would say to try the worm bucket. It is a great starting kit for anyone that wants to start worm farming. You might be thinking you don't have the room, but this system is a space saver. It does not take up a lot of room. You just set it up, then place it underneath your kitchen sink. The worms will be hidden, and you have a system that's good to go. It does not take up a lot of room. That's what I like about the worm bucket. You can have this system set up within around 40 minutes to an hour, because the main thing is you have to let the cocoa core, which is the worm bedding, absorb the moisture from the water, and that will be an additional bedding for your worms. So that's the main thing that takes the longest for the system. But it is an easy system to set up. The thing I like about it, if you're a science teacher or you have kids, this would be a great addition to teach your kids to learn about worms, the benefits of worms, and to not have the fear of worms. The kit consists of 2 buckets. It's about a 2.5 gallon system. It has cocoa core and perlite and instructions and a couple other extras in there. The worms are not included, but you can order the worms from the website. Once the system is up and running, you're good to go. You just have to feed them food scraps every now and then, and that gives you the chance to let you see the science behind the worms consuming your food scraps. Worms are great. The system is excellent. Like I said, I highly would recommend and encourage you to try the worm bucket. And if you do try the system, please tag me, because I'd love to see your results of you and your new system. You can always leave comments in the box below so I can hear your feedback. Here's another video to learn more about the worm bucket. Like, share, subscribe, and you have a great day. Bye.